60 seconds with Femi correct pidgin and is 9 we dey do, and this weekend for inside Obodo Ibo England, English Premier League. Now one correct match we go see Tottenham versus Manchester United. No be say all the other matches no correct, but this one na be the obonga one for inside English Premier League, and for Wembley Stadium na they go play this particular match for Tottenham. The only person we know that squad na Heung-min Son and their coach Mauricio Pochettino. Some people don't talk say this one na the most correctest coach for the whole world, making go Madrid, making go Man. They just call different clubs, make the man go. And you look Tottenham and Manchester United, the past 6 games where their two don't play, you go see say na only one match, now their two don't lose. So Man United on their own, the people don't talk say yes, this match now they go use no whether Ole Gunnar Solskjaer na correct coach where them be, I be na initial gragra when carry those first match when Man United play, na initial gragra and carry win those match. I want to know you how you see them Tottenham versus Man United, how you think say this one go be. I be even if Ole Gunnar Solskjaer lose this match, you no go bother yourself as Man United fan. How you see this one? Tottenham versus Manchester United.